In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix client error, that is 400 client error on Canva. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're trying to log into your account but you are getting this error, you're told mostly that means something went wrong. There are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, if you're using your web browser, you will need to try and download Canva app to see if this works. However, if you're using the app, then try and see if the browser works. But should this not work, then most likely we need to troubleshoot our app and see if this fixes your problem. To do this, go to settings on your phone and then go down to apps. Now under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Canva, tap on it to open, and then go to force stop and OK. Then clear data and clear cache. OK. Finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and head to Google Play Store or App Store. Find Canva app and see if you have any update. Update your app to the latest version. However, if this does not fix your problem, then check and see if you are using any VPN app on your phone and install it, as this might be the reason you are facing this problem. However, if this does not work, then most likely Canva might have experienced an internal server error. For that, give it some few minutes and then come back to Canva, and now everything should be working without any issue. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.